At Sherborne School, we hold dear the values of respect, honesty, perseverance, teamwork, responsibility, and kindness. These principles are not just words to us, they form the bedrock of our community and guide our actions every day. They remind us to treat each other with respect, with dignity, to uphold the truth even when it's difficult, to push through challenges with resilience, and to collaborate effectively and take ownership of our actions, and above all, to show compassion and empathy in all our interactions. These values are not just ideals, they are the essence of who we are as a school and crucial to nurturing a supportive environment, being inclusive and a thriving learning environment for all of us. Thank you.